Hi, this is Jason with Dave's Computer Tips with another how-to video for you. This one's on Samsung Android camera app tip. That's right, I'm going to give you a quick app tip today for your camera app on your Samsung A20, A10e, or A21. Those are the ones I've tried it on, so it should work on some of the other ones on the Samsung devices. So I'm going to show you how to do a really cool tip here in just a minute. But before we get going, hit the like, the subscribe, and the notification bell. It helps out our channel. The likes really help out the video, so it lets YouTube know that people want to watch it. So please hit that like button and make sure you subscribe. We put one out, how-to out every week, at least one a week. So I'm hoping to get more one day, but right now I work full time. So, but first, let's get back to this. So what we want to do is open your camera app. So we're going to tap that, and then you tap your camera app, open it up. So once you're in here, okay, I'm going to pick my phone up because I can. Okay, so we're going to pick my phone up. We're going to crash it, but okay. So the quick tip I want to give you on this is that if you ever tried to flip your phone's camera view to front view and then back to back view, so if you click this, see, it's now a selfie view, and then you click it back and then it's front view. The quickest way to do that, so you don't have to worry about trying to get your finger down here, just do this to the screen, flip up, or you can even swipe down. It just flips the camera view for you. It's quick and easy, so you don't have to keep trying to put your thumb down here or your finger down here trying to hit the flip feature for the camera. So that's how easy it is, and it's a cool tip on flipping the view of your camera on your Android Samsung phone.
Make sure to check out DavesComputerTips.com where all our articles are, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching.